So I am Hannah, and over here we have Saro. Saro is a black-headed kaik. And I have just received this. This is something called a Beakbox. It is a bird enrichment toy, and the idea behind it is there is this little lever that sticks into the bird's cage. The birds pull the lever and it plays music. But in order for this to be a fun toy for Saro, she's going to have to learn how to operate it. So we're going to try to teach her how to pull on the lever. I'm going to start with very basic training to just touch this. She's been trained to touch a wooden chopstick before, and she usually is interested in sort of touching new objects with her beak. So we're just going to start with, if she touches this with any part of her beak, she's going to get a treat. Saro, can you come here? Come here. Come touch it. Come touch it. So there, all it took is just a tiny little touch, and for that she's going to get a treat. There you go. So let's just do a couple of repetitions of that. Make sure she's got the basic idea. Good. Good. Well, you can't just have these. You've got to actually work for them. So I specifically want her to touch the lever. Good. That was very nice. In fact, I'm going to give her a couple for that because she put her whole beak around that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start requiring her to work a little harder, to really grab it, mess with it a bit. Oh, go for the lever. Go back for the lever. So there, she really pulled on it. So this is called shaping. It's when you sort of change how hard they have to work at the trip in order to get the treat. So now it's no longer just tap it with her beak. She's got to really grab it. Give me a little bit more grab. There we go. There we go. Now she's sort of tending to pull this up, so I'm going to try turning it upside down, see if she really pulls it upwards. There you go. So she actually activated it, so I'm going to give her a jackpot reward for that. So a jackpot reward is a reward that's extra special. Just to show her that, yes, exactly that's what I want you to do. You lift it up. Close. It's real close. You can do it. Real close. So she's trying to figure out how to do this. She's turning it back upside down. Okay. There we go. That was another one where she pushed hard enough to activate the music. So she's going to get a jackpot treat. Can you lift it up? Gotta really crank on it. I'm gonna try it upside down again. Can you give it a lift? There you go. So interestingly, she seems to be having a much easier time lifting the lever up than pushing it down. So I've actually got this thing upside down for now because that's how she's managing to activate it. So part of my hope here is that this is both gonna teach her how to use it, but also desensitize her to the noises, make her enjoy the noises, associate them with rewards instead of having them scare her. Saro, come pull on the lever. Nice. She's really getting the hang of it now. So if you have a bird that is a little hesitant to touch it to begin with, I might recommend first teaching them to do something like touch a chopstick. Touch stick training is a really good way of convincing a bird to come touch an object that you're interested in and makes all sorts of training much easier. You gotta yank on it. Saro. Oh. I love the little hops. Oop, she needs to go to the bathroom. Can you go to the bathroom over here? Well, that seems like it was a very effective training session for today, so I'm going to leave it at that.